Hello, good afternoon. This is Shaq for the equity check. Seeing some nice rally taking place last few days, and of course the uh, one of the counters that I could not look seen making some headway and almost on a breakout. So it's very interesting. Let's have a look at it. Here we have a very nice support around 22.30 and sort of a ascending triangle here taking shape. We have a high of around 24.70 and also we have a low of 21.40. අපිට පේනවා මෙතන PLC People's Leasing Company එකේ අපි දැක්ක මුලදී තිබුණු 28ක high එකක් නැවත ඒක correction එකකට ඒමක් දක්නට ලැබුණා ඒ වගේම අපිට පේනවා මෙතන ascending triangle එකක් වගේ formation එකක් තියෙනවා hopefully අපි හිතමු මේ resistant එකකින් පස්සේ මේ වැටිච්ච මේ slight pullback එකත් එක්ක මේ breakout එක confirm වෙන breakout එකක් කියලා volume එකක් හැටියට නම් තියෙනවා අපිට 1.1 million, so it's sort of a very good indicator for the uptrend. Now looking for a particular target now 24.70, we might see kind of a resistance coming back again. Most probably could hold around 24.50, and we can see this price moving towards around 27.50 or testing the previous high of around 28. Ascending triangle එකේ target එක අපි බැලුවොත් මෙතන අපිට පේනවා 21.50 ඒ වගේම 24ක් ඒ කියන්නේ රුපියල් 3ක වගේ 3.50ක වගේ target එකක් අපිට ගන්න පුළුවන් මෙතනින් අපි රුපියල් 3ක් කියලා හිතුවොත් මෙතන සාමාන්‍යයෙන් 24.70ක් එහෙම නැත්නම් 28ක් අතර target එකකට යන්න පුළුවන් if you are trading by the way. So it's a very good buy opportunity here because I always recommend to buy based on some kind of a fundamental reason or that could be technical. Now fundamentally you will know exactly whether a share is worth the price that you're going to pay. At the same time, technical charts such as this like daily charts, you can use it, or a weekly chart depending on your investment type or your plan. We could get the precise entry point if you are using a technical chart such as just this, and also you can use chart patterns, and also you can use price action such as this. Okay, so we have some kind of a reliable volume here. Let's see, usually Friday is supposed to be some kind of a red kind of a day where people tend to don't like to hold their positions, especially the daily traders, if they have the opportunity. So they like to lock in the profit and then come back next day and they start their business. Now that's why we used to see Fridays usually a kind of a profit taking days, but today we saw lots of counters have gained across the board. So we have a very good opportunity here for with PLC for a target of around 27.50. So we are looking around 25 to 27. This is a short-term target that I'm talking about. Had you entered around here, you got around 23, and you should be sitting pretty well with with some gains, capital gains. Now, what the scenario would be? අපිට පේනවා මේකේ ඊළඟ අපිට short term target එකක් හැටියට අපිට සාමාන්‍යයෙන් හිතන්න පුළුවන් 27.50ක් වගේ. ඒ වගේම අපි දැන් Fibonacci tool එකක් දාලා place kala balamu. Sorry, yeah, I think it got it here. Yes, let me adjust this one a bit. Oh yeah, that should look fine. Right, so we saw the 50% retracement, pullback around 23. This is a typical harmonic target, a butterfly target here, or a bat, can even. Right, so we have a target here around minimum of around 2750. So you can target for a 2750. Now, what would happen next once, let's say, we have this thing formed? Now, as you all know, a common yeah, you can draw something like this. So it should take the shape of this. So that means it is already making itself a very nice base towards 28. Now we could see a pullback coming later on, probably might take a shape of a handle. So then you have a cup and a handle. Okay, um, that is a continuation pattern. So this could give you another nice target of around 28 to 20. That means around 7. So that should more or less give you rupees 35. So රුපියල් 35ක target එකකට යන්න පුළුවන්. අපේ පළවෙනි target එක 27.50. පසුව අපිට යම්කිසි pullback එකක් දකින්න පුළුවන් වේවි. But these are all just my hypothetical what do you say scenarios that I'm discussing with you. So it should not happen, but what I'm trying to what I want you to see is that where this trade might end up. So this way it will be sort of a easy for you to decide what to do next. So probably we might see around 27 and then might come for a slight pullback, not more than 38.2. So that also we can draw here and we can see here. Right, assuming it touches 27.50 or 28, so we could see a pullback coming, like I told, maybe around 25, or if the bull trend is very strong, we might not see the conventional 38.2 retracement. So we might see, probably if you are able to get in around 26.50 would be lucky. So our next target would be from here towards 35. Let me drag this a bit. Yeah, so some more here we might see. Now we might see a target of around 35 here. Okay, so that should be the target for this, going from a target of, first this should go towards here. Okay, and then we could see coming from here towards, okay, and hopefully okay, so we could see the next taking the shape. You can see even here a bit. Okay, so something like this we could see. Now the next scenario would be for us, for people's leasing, would be something of this nature, a case of a consolidation taking. Uh, so we could see something taking place here. So it's a very nice technical setup for anybody who is interested. So we have a target of around 22 towards a 28, which is, again, we're talking about a 6 rupee gain. So that should end up around 30 here. So more or less you have a target, you should have a target of around 33, 50 to 35. So in any scenario, or in any given scenario. So this is assuming that the bull trend, okay, does continue throughout and into the general elections, and hopefully the results are done and dusted. We might see the real run it's taking place once the parliament has been, the results have been out. So that's how I look at it. PLC, probably one of strong fundamental counter for me. I'm already, I have positioned myself. After seeing this, I might load a bit around 24 or 25. That is to trade on the breakout. So once I'm positioned myself, I'll be targeting around 28 and towards around 35. So this could take place very soon. So all the very best, and I hope come Monday we could enter few positions on PLC and wait for the right moment. So have a great weekend. This is Shark signing out for the Equity Check.